Hi, everyone. Today, I'm going to be walking you through your rehearsal week number 4, day number 1 assignment. I'm going to be sharing my screen with you all so that you can follow along with the assignment as I'm going through it. So when you open up your assignment for today, you're going to see that we are still working on TEKS 2C and 5D, which is creating characters, dialogue, and actions that reflect dramatic structure in scripted scenes collaboratively. That's us working on the initial blocking and movement for our show. And then TEK 5D, which is exploring career and vocational opportunities in theater. This week, the technical area we're going to be focusing on is going to be costume design. So today you're going to get a little intro into costume design and then also have some time to start working on a little assignment. And so you're going to start out by filling in your last name, comma, your first name, your theater class period, which for you all should be either second period or sixth period for productions, and then your email address, which is your ID number at southwestisd.net. And then you're going to go ahead and click next. You will keep up, for today's warm-up, you're going to be doing some stretching. You're going to keep track of your warm-up with this 5-minute timer. And then I have our typical stretches that we do in class listed here for you. I'm going to mark off the ones we would normally do during our live session. You can feel free to do any of the stretches that are listed there or any that you just like to do that feel good for you. Make sure you do practice stretching for the full 5 minutes. It'll go by quickly, and so make sure that you get to stretching. I also want you to do a brief vocal warm-up. So that includes deep breathing. That's just inhaling through your nose and out through your mouth. A jaw massage, which is just rubbing in little small circles from your ears to your chin along your jawline here. And then your big face and small face. These are just stretches to wake up your face, wake up the muscles in your jaw and in your mouth. And then the last thing you'll do is you'll choose 2 tongue twisters or 3 to say, and then out loud, you can use any ones that you know, the frog one or the tiny turtle one, or you can do any of the ones that are listed on the slides. And then your last thing you're gonna do is you're gonna tell me how you're feeling today. I just want to check in with you all and see how you all are doing. It's okay if you're not feeling great today, if you're feeling tired or upset or something else. I'm just trying to check in with you, see how things are going. Once you've answered the question, you're going to go ahead and click next. And then you're going to get to your activities for today. Activity number 1 is going to be a brief video going over the job of the costume designer, and you are going to answer the question below. It will be a blank, fill in the blank answer here by the time you get this assignment. The first thing you're going to do after you listen to a little bit of the video about what the job of the costume designer is, you are going to choose 2 characters from scene number 2. And you're going to be searching for 5 images that represent each character. These pictures can relate to aspects of the character's personality, clothes you think the character should wear, or colors that represent the character. And so what you're going to do is you're going to use this template that has been provided for you. You're going to make a copy of the document. And then you are going to save the copy with your name. You're just going to add your name onto the end. Then what you're going to do is you're going to look at the list of characters from scene 2. You're going to pick out 2 of those characters, 1 male and 1 female. And so if you are an actor and you are playing one of these parts, you should pick the character that you are actually playing and then 1 other character. If you are on the tech crew or you're playing a character that's not on this list, then you can choose any 2 characters that you would like. And so what you're going to do is for each character, so let's say that I selected Wanda Wilson to, she's a talk show host in our show. So I'm going to type in her name so that I know that these pictures are for her. And then in this space, I'm going to go ahead and just delete that text box. And I'm going to start looking for some pictures that I think represent Wanda, a talk show host. So I'm going to look for maybe somebody who is on a talk show. So she talks to people, to celebrities, to, you know, it's kind of like a news, almost like a news show or a talk show. And so I'm going to add some like little speech bubbles because I feel like if she has a show, she'll be talking on it. The people she interviews will be talking on it. And then everybody else will be talking about it too, all over the internet. And so I'm going to look for other pictures that represent her as a talk show host. And so I might also have to look. Sometimes this doesn't always show you the full possibility, so you might have to search in another tab and see how you get much more different options for that. I'm going to look for one that's a girl because Wanda's a girl. So I'm going to look and see if I can maybe find one where it shows a girl talking. So like this one's a good one right here. See how it's got the TV, it's got the woman. So I'm going to use this one. I'm just going to click it and drag it over to my slide and it inserts. And like I said, you just need to find 5 pictures for each character. And so that's what you will go do today. Let me go ahead and fix this. And so once you are done, once you found 5 pictures for your 2 characters, you're going to go back to your form. You'll confirm that you made your copy. And then you'll add the file to turn it in. So I'm going to go to my drive. I'm going to search for and so when I search for it, my copy, since it's the last thing I edited, it will come up first. And so I'm going to go ahead and select it. It's going to attach it to the form. I'm going to answer my exit ticket, which is, what do you think would be the most difficult part of being a costume designer? It's just an opinion, multiple choice question. I'll click submit, and then I'll be done for the day. I do want to point out that this costume design assignment is for both tech and acting. Everybody has to do this assignment. Actors, if you finish up your assignment early, remember to also be reviewing your memorization. You do still have that job. And so I do have the memorization strategies listed here for you, just in case you need them or need some ideas of how you should memorize. Again, once you've turned in your assignment to the form and done the exit ticket, you're done for the day. I hope this video was helpful to you. Remember, if you have questions, you can always reach out to Google Classroom comments, Remind 101 text message, or by popping in on our live sessions during the day. But that's it for today, everyone. Remember, today is a great day. You are in control of you, and every day is a great day to try your best. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.